Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. This week, we're looking at current events and talking about a product that may come in useful in light of certain local risks. Terrorism insurance. Usually offered under an umbrella political risks insurance product, terrorism insurance is an extremely useful risk management tool for any business operating in the 21st century. So, what exactly is covered under terrorism insurance? Simply put, any financial consequences that your business would suffer as a result of canceling, abandoning, postponing, suspending, curtailing, or relocating, and any business interruptions or physical losses or damages or any costs associated with a period of national mourning which were caused solely and directly by an act of terrorism. Under terrorism insurance, you're covered against pretty much any outcome of a terrorist event, which we're probably going to need to define as well because this is insurance. Under the definition of terrorism insurance, terrorism is considered to be an act or series of acts, including the use of force or violence, which is committed by a single person or a group, either acting alone or as part of a larger network, for political, religious, or ideological purposes in order to influence a government or cause fear in a section of the public as a whole. With these two pieces of information, and with the current optics being presented by the news media, terrorism insurance becomes fairly relevant to current life in Hong Kong. But, and it's a pretty big but, in order for the coverage in relation to terrorism insurance to be applied to your business, the insurance must be in place prior to a terrorist event being declared. It's a little bit like maternity insurance. Where taking out the insurance when you're already pregnant means that you're not going to be able to get the pregnancy covered. So planning ahead is critically important. And unfortunately, a series of events have already emerged in Hong Kong which may preclude you from getting terrorism or even political risk coverage for the current political situation. In terms of the cost of coverage, it really depends on your business revenue, as this is what will be compensated in the event of a claim. Bigger companies will pay more for terrorism coverage than smaller organizations. So the end of the story with terrorism insurance is plan ahead. You can't get it covered if it's already existing, that is to say the terrorist event, but it could come in very useful in the event that a terrorist event is declared. That's us for this week. We hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to just ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.